Hey everyone, I just got my BlockFi credit card, so I thought in this video I would do an unboxing of the card and go into the details of the card rewards. This video is not sponsored. I just really like the card so far and wanted to share my experience with it so far. But before we talk about that, I'd really appreciate it if you could smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. For the low price of $0, you can help get this video pushed out to other people looking to start investing by turning the like button blue. So thank you for doing that. With that said, let's get into the video. So now let's get into the BlockFi card unboxing. So now if you see here, we have the envelope that the BlockFi card actually comes in. Has the BlockFi logo here, nothing on the back, just a PO box there. So I already went ahead and tore this other envelope. So if we go take this out, we'll put that there. We see the actual BlockFi card holder here. We got the nice black card holder with the white BlockFi logo, and on the left here, and the big one on the right. If we flip it around, we see BlockFi logo there again. And probably the coolest part about all of this is how you open this card holder. So let me do that. Pretty cool, right? Nice slide feature that goes back and forth on both sides. Now on the right here, it says finally earn Bitcoin with every purchase. And on the left is the actual BlockFi card itself. And if I go ahead and take it out here, you can just slide it out and put that to the side for a second. Now, one thing to quickly note, little cool feature here is the little circuitry diagram here with the Bitcoin computer chip. Thought that was pretty neat. And it says to turn over, right? So I'm gonna actually go ahead and turn it over here. So we're on the back side. On this side here, there's a QR code and instructions to activate the card and get the BlockFi app on Apple and Android or Google Play Store. And that's the back side of that, where the card was. So pretty cool stuff there. So let me go ahead and close that. Put that over here and show the actual card itself. So it's pretty cool. Has the Bitcoin logo there, BlockFi, and it's a Visa card. So pretty cool stuff there. Now, if we go back over here, so let's get into the actual rewards, right? So as advertised, there's unlimited 1.5% cash back, or excuse me, Bitcoin back on every purchase. Sorry for us to have it there. And there's no annual fee and no foreign transaction fees. So really great news there. Yeah, initially there were the card had an annual fee and has since then removed that fee. So good news there. And some more details here. So they have a promotion on the website where it says you can earn up to 3.5% back in Bitcoin on every purchase. Now it comes with a caveat that 3.5% is an introductory offer that spans the first 90 days of the card ownership, beginning on the date of card activation. So it's important to note. It was a little confusing at first exactly what the date was. I've heard some people think that it was beginning on the date of the application, when you send the application or when your application is approved. That's not the case. It's beginning on the date of card activation. And the introductory offer is kept at $100 in Bitcoin. And of course, to activate the card, you'd have to put in the card info. Once you receive the physical card, input the card info in the app or on the website. And just to verify all that info, I pulled it up here on the official BlockFi website. And if you scroll down, it has that same promotion here, 3.5% back in Bitcoin with that caveat I mentioned earlier. And some other cool features. well, if we go to the credit card page on BlockFi. In addition to that, it says you can earn 2% back in Bitcoin on every purchase over $50,000 of annual spend. And there's a trading bonus of 2.25% back in Bitcoin on all eligible trades. So pretty cool stuff there. And another cool feature that they have is you can hit the subscribe button and bell notification to stay up the latest with all of my uploads. It's completely free to do so, and you can always undo it later. So thank you for doing that. With that said, let's get back into the video. So now I'll go into some more details that they've posted from the various blog posts. So coming back here, this is their latest blog post from August 2nd, talking about how the credit card is not available for all eligible U.S. residents. Goes into some of the details there, such as that in the first 2 weeks they shipped over 20,000 cards. So some good news there. They go into what the benefits are. So again, that unlimited 1.5% back in Bitcoin every purchase, with that 3.5% rate for the first 90 days. Now, some more info here that's not on their pages. So how does the BlockFi card compare to other crypto cards? Their card is available to you now and actually earns you Bitcoin that is yours to keep, sell, trade, or transfer. So unlike other crypto rewards cards that claim to give you Bitcoin rewards, but only provide price exposure to Bitcoin that allows you to sell, but would not withdraw that Bitcoin. That's key there. Once BlockFi rewards are redeemed, Bitcoin is transferred to your BlockFi wallet, where it can be held, traded, sold, or moved to any wallet address of your choice. So with BlockFi, you're actually getting actual Satoshis or sats, which are fractions of a Bitcoin, into your wallet. And because it's in your crypto wallet on BlockFi, you're able to transfer it via wallet addresses rather than selling it, converting it to fiat, and then doing it that way. So it's good stuff there. And another question here, where can I use the card and do I get access to Visa's benefits? So the BlockFi card can be used anywhere Visa is accepted, along with a wide range of additional bonuses from Visa, including travel opportunities, fine wine and food, sporting events, shopping, and more. So some of the special offers include upgrades at more than 900 of the world's most prestigious properties with the Visa Signature Luxury Hotel Collection. Plus, cardholders can save on premium ground transportation with Silver Car's all Audi fleet of rental cars. So cool perks there. And another one that I found in, well, it's one of their older blog posts from July 6th here. This is talking about the launch of the card to waitlist clients. So this is a little while back. It goes into, again, some of the perks we heard about earlier. If we come down here, one other perk that I've seen in this specific blog post, but not in any more recent posts, is this stablecoin bonus. Now, what's interesting here is it says cardholders with stablecoin assets such as GUSD, PAX, or USDC in a BlockFi interest account can earn up to an extra 2% APY on top of the prevailing stablecoin APY. Over the first year of card membership, the stablecoin bonus will accrue based on cardholders' average daily stablecoin balance, paid in Bitcoin up to $200. So another cool perk here, and again, it goes into the other perks we heard about, the trading bonus and the refer a friend bonus. Now, this specific stablecoin bonus, like I said, I haven't seen in more recent blog posts, so I'm not too sure if this stablecoin bonus holds as of now. But I just thought I would bring it up. So if you happen to know if this particular stablecoin bonus is still active, let me know down in the comments, and that'll clear things up. So thank you in advance if you end up doing that. And speaking of thank yous, I'd really appreciate it if you could smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Again, it's completely free to do so, and you're helping this video get pushed out to other people looking to, earn a bit of crypto and stack those sats. So thank you for doing that. With that said, let's get back into the video. So now I'll go into some even more details, particularly some of the FAQs on their website here. So if we go to their credit card page, just very quickly, we'll just run down the list of the FAQs. So where's the credit card available? Credit card is available to all U.S. residents, qualified states. I think it says, do you need to have a BlockFi account to be approved for the card? Yes, you will need to sign up for a BlockFi account to apply for the card. And an account is necessary to receive your reward. So that's how they're able to give you your Bitcoin back, rather. Speaking of signing up for a BlockFi account, if you use my link down below, you'll get up to $250 in free Bitcoin when you sign up using my link down below. So be sure to do that. And in addition to that, be sure to sign up for the BlockFi credit card as well. It's a separate application. Now back to this. Does the card offer rewards? Yes, went over this already. So these are the 4 main bonuses you'll get here. Already touched on that. And of course, the Visa specific rewards as well with the travel and car rentals and all that. Do I have to have a good credit score to apply? So the card requires a good to excellent credit score. But the good news is that you can see if you're pre-approved without having impact on your credit. I'll go into this a bit later, but essentially what they're saying here is for the pre-approval, they'll do a soft pull, so it won't affect your credit. But the application itself will be a hard pull, which will impact your credit. And it says right here, how does applying impact your credit? So like I mentioned, going through the pre-approval process will not impact your credit score. If you proceed with your application, you must check the box agreeing to a hard pull of your credit, in which case your credit score may be impacted. So important thing to note. And can I use anywhere? What are the limits? So the card is available to all U.S. residents, qualified states, and can be used at merchants that accept Visa, no foreign transaction fees. So good stuff there. And another thing here, so in case you happen to miss some of the disclaimers at the bottom of the page, so I can quickly go through each of them. So number 1, which is at the top here, see if you're pre-approved and no impact to your credit score. So again, that we talked about. What they say here, a soft credit pool happens before you've accepted the credit card offer. A hard credit pool occurs after or when you've accepted your credit card offer, which can have an impact on your credit score. So just something to keep in mind. Number 2, earn 3.5% back in Bitcoin during your first 3 months. So again, we touched on this before, but that 3.5% is only that intro offer for the first 90 days. Beginning on card activation date, and it's capped at $100 in Bitcoin, which they say equates to approximately $2,800 of USD to spend to earn an extra $100 in Bitcoin. Oh, and another note, the boosted rate will pay out on the 4th month of card ownership. So if you don't happen to see that boosted rate for the first few months, that's most likely why it will be paid out on the 4th month of card ownership. Now, if we go to number 3, it says here, earn 2% back in Bitcoin on every purchase over $50,000 of annual spend. Now, the caveat there is the rewards rate increases from 1.5% to 2% after $50,000 of spend has been achieved and resets on the card anniversary date every year. And finally, number 4, for the trading bonus, 0.25% back in Bitcoin on all eligible trades. So if we go down here, that 0.25% back in Bitcoin. It's on all eligible trades, up to a maximum of $500 in Bitcoin each month. So there you have it. That's all of the details, unboxing, and FAQs regarding the BlockFi credit card. I'd be really interested to hear your thoughts on the credit card experience, what you think of it. Are you going to sign up? Yes, no. Let me know down in the comments. With that said, thank you so much for watching. But before you leave, really appreciate it if you could, if you're interested, sign up using my BlockFi link down below in the description, and you'll get up to $250 in free crypto when you sign up for a BlockFi account using my link down below. And as well, sign up for the BlockFi credit card on their website as well. Again, using my link and you get up to $250 in free crypto there, or free Bitcoin. And while you're at it, make sure to check out my Webull link down below in the description. And when you sign up using my link down below, you'll get 2 free stocks when you deposit $100, valued up to $100 using my link down below in the description. So be sure to check those out. And so, yeah, with that said, thank you so much for watching. And as always, be sure to hit the like button and hit the subscribe button and turn on bell notifications to get notified when my latest videos get posted. And I hope you found a lot of value from this video. And also comment down below anything else you want to see and learn. And follow me on my socials to get even more investing and personal finance content. With that said, thanks for watching. Take care.